Hi everyone, I'm back and I'm here to show you some of our amazing baking products. Now these products are all in a set. Now I'm not sure about whether it's just one bowl or three, but I know it's definitely that one and the guard. I just wanted to show you that with these bowls and this guard that just sits on top like that, and the jug that's available is red. As I've said before, I've got a few things that are blue, so I'm changing over to the red. So love this one. It's like 600 ml, that shaker. I only had a 350. Anyway, what I want to show you is that it comes in with a little strainer too. This Chef's Made is designed to fit the guard, the shaker and the mix and pour. So the mix and pour has got a little lid in the top, so we take that out and that reveals a hole which you could put a blender or a mixer in there to mix it up, or you can use this as well. Our Chef's Made has a juicer, an egg separator, a grater or a zester, and a little jug, which all these actually do sit on, and then you've got the lid which allows you to strain on one side. Let's see close, you've got little lines there, or it's got a hole there at the other side where you can actually pour direct. So as I said, these go on there, on here too, each of them, so you can do the jobs there. Or I love is you can put each of these on the jug, on the shaker, and in the guard to add whatever to your baking. You want an egg, you want on there or there, or some zest as well. Okay, now with the guard, these bowls have got, they've got measurements on the inside here too, and on each of them. So this big guard has actually got 3 settings. Fits the big one and the smallest one, like so. Oops. Like so, and it's got a strainer which you can strain anything as well, and that's a small. Oops. And of course the middle size one, and they all have a lid as well. Right, now the shaker I just showed you, it's got the guard. I use these a lot for those packet mixes that you what's the one I use a lot, the potato bake, 3 cheeses, or I put the water in here, then I add the packet mix and give it a good shake, and it mixes it up, no worries at all, and really much better than a whisk, I think, anyway. So with this mix and pour, it's got a lid here, the same lid actually that goes with this one, the Chef's Made, with a slot. So not that it actually does anything, it just blocks the hole, I think. Anyway, on the lid, on the actual lid, there are 3 settings. So something stuck to it, is that a sticker or something? Okay, so it's got a diagram here on the top, so that's actually closed. It's got one here that is open, and it shows you on the top where that is on the lid, and it's got a strainer pattern here. Now that each side of those go at the side where the pour is to allow you to be able to strain, pour, great for pancakes, and close it off. That's sealed, so nothing can get out and nothing can get in. Oh, I'm sweating, it's hot. Okay, so this is a whole set available, or with all the sets you can buy everything individually. So you just want the jug, you just want one bowl, you just want the shaker, go for it. But it is an amazing deal with a bowl, the guard, the shaker, got everything everywhere, the shaker, the mix and pour, the lid there, and the chef's maid. And to put that away, it simply goes together like so, with the lid on top. And storing, I actually store mine in the mix and store, because that's where I'll use it. Right, so that's it. Wonderful set. So jump onto my link in my link tree, goes straight to my mystery host event. All orders accumulate and will add up to the host reward. So when we reach $1,000, I will be drawing it off and hope that we get there before the first 100 or the 100 cookware sets are completely sold out. So let's see how we go. All right, I will leave you there. Have a wonderful night, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.